Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure and honor to be here. And Anurag, Noor, and the team of Exchange for Media, thank you very much for having me here. It's indeed a pleasure and privilege to be introducing one of the very well-known entrepreneurs of the country today, Mr. Harkirat Singh, the Managing Director of Woodland. The less said, the better, but nonetheless, I have to do the honors. So he's been in the family business for over 2 decades now. Needless to say, belongs to the family of industrialists. A commerce graduate from Hindu College, and interestingly, philology from Moscow University. For those of us who do not know what philology is all about, I got it from Google, so you can check back what it is. Study of language and written historical sources. It's a combination of literary studies plus history plus linguists. So shoes, Woodland, and philology. So that's his, I guess, claim to fame. From the very early stages in life, I guess he's been very, very interested in how the fashion shoe business is evolving and has helped his company do exports to countries, to Europe and to the US. Needless to say, when you're an entrepreneur, team building, being a team player, I guess, has a lot of value and a lot of role that it has to play in growing companies. He's been a team player and he's really achieved a lot in terms of bringing Woodland to the stage that Woodland as a brand today is. Interestingly, his acute perceptions of the market trends have not led Woodland down at all, because even during the times of recession, I guess his business was rocking. While he is a very, very professional person and an entrepreneur, I guess he balances his personal life very well and has interest in sports. No surprises there. Golf is one of them. So golf, tennis, and of course adventure sports. And if all of us who've seen Woodland advertising do see shades of that adventure sports in the communication that Woodland brings to its consumers. He's also, I'm told, a tech freak. So with Woodland increasing its spend in the digital arena, he cannot but be a tech freak to that extent. So ladies and gentlemen, let me please present to you Mr. Harkirat Singh, MD Woodland. Mr. Singh.